Hello, and Happy New Year. As we stand at the beginning of this fresh, unmarked chapter, I want you to take a moment to reflect. The past year, its ups and downs, its triumphs and challenges has shaped you. But now, it's time to let go of what holds you back and focus on what lies ahead. This is not just another year. This is your year. A year to break limits, challenge yourself, and become the version of you that you've always envisioned. The beauty of a new year is that it gives us a fresh start 365 blank pages to write a story of growth, courage, and success. But let me tell you something important. Success doesn't come from making grand resolutions that fade by February. Success is built by the small, consistent actions you take every single day. It's about showing up even when it's hard. It's about keeping promises to yourself, no matter how small they seem. Think of your goals not as distant dreams, but as destinations. The journey toward them starts with one step, and then another, and another. Don't let fear or doubt slow you down. Every mistake, every failure, is just a lesson in disguise. So here's my challenge to you. Dream big, but act bigger. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Believe in yourself like never before. Take risks, embrace discomfort, and trust the process. This year is your opportunity to rise, to grow, to prove to yourself that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. Let's make 2020 for the year we say, I did it. The time is now. Let's make it unstoppable. Wishing you courage, determination, and success this new year.